Hello guys, welcome to today's edition of the ongoing 1 million free coins from Hamster. I, your boy MC Crazy Comedy, present to you the mouse code for today. The code is 2048 2048 2048. So the first thing to do is to bring out the column. You bring out the column for the code. You bring it out. Then the next thing you enter your 2. That is the code for 2 is don't dash dash dash. Oh no, we got it wrong. So we'll go again. Don't dash dash dash. That is for 2. Then 0 is dash 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 in 5 places. Dash 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 in 5 places. So we've gotten 0. Then the 4 is don't dash. Okay, and then 8 is dash 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 don't. Yes, we've gotten it. 2048. So take the prize, crack it. Congratulations. For easy on understanding, I'm going to attach the code to this video recording as SMS so you can easily go through it and do it by yourself. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. You can hit the subscription button and also make sure you read the notification button as well. Hope to see you there. Have a nice time. Goodbye. Bye.